Welcome to Renu Electronics Experience Center, where innovation powers automation. We're a technology-focused electronics company offering reliable products, solutions, and services in industrial automation, electronics manufacturing, mobility, building technologies and IIoT space. We are an ISO and IETF certified company with a robust R&D and manufacturing background in product development, software, firmware, and more. We're pioneers in HMIs, PLCs, web panels, and other industrial automation solutions. Renu Electronics is also renowned for its electronics engineering and manufacturing services. Our expertise covers the entire product development journey, from design to assembly, validation to testing. We excel in PCB assembly and box building. We serve various industries, including industrial electronics, consumer appliances, and the automobile sector. Come, let's have a look at some of our industrial automation offerings. Let's introduce you to Renu Electronics FP6 series, where metallic strength meets technological brilliance. Our FP6 series of metallic rugged HMIs is designed to endure the most demanding industrial environments, ensuring uninterrupted operation in the face of difficult environments. Crafted with precision and fortified with metallic resilience, these HMI solutions redefine durability in the world of industrial automation. FP6 rugged HMI offer excellent outdoor readability and a thin footprint, along with easy scalability and connectivity options.
Renu offers the perfect option for adding scalability in your applications. Renu's HMI with I/O offer the best of both worlds of HMI and PLC, allowing you to scale I/O and maximize space and asset utilization. They are available in a wide range of digital and analog, local as well as pluggable I/O modules. Renu's HMI with I/O harness IEC programming environment that adds ease of operations and are perfect for controlling and visualizing a vast range of real-world applications. Enjoy recipe management and handle complex tasks while getting powerful connectivity across your manufacturing operations.
Join the league of clients of Renu with over 50,000 PLCs installations. Our FlexiLogix Eco Series PLC is engineered for precision and reliability, catering to standalone machines and diverse industrial applications. With a user-friendly programming environment, they seamlessly integrates into your processes, offering versatile connectivity to various devices and control on your machines. Powered by the advanced technology platform, FlexiLogix Standard Series PLC ensures superior performance. Seamless connectivity to third-party devices optimizes industrial efficiency, while its wide operating range and certifications guarantee resilience in robust industrial environments. These PLCs are perfect partner for panel makers and system integrators and for many other industrial applications, offering easy expandability and control.